Hey everyone, welcome to new updates of Odoo 18. In today's video, we will discuss about the updations in the HTML editor. First, you just need to ensure that you have installed the HTML editor. You can just head up into the App Store and search for HTML editor. Here you can find the HTML editor. If you want to find the module info, you can just go to the three dots and choose module info, and this shows the information regarding this module. Afterwards, let's move on to the accounting module, and there is a slight change in the HTML editor in Odoo 18. You can just move on to the customers and choose invoices. Under that, choose any random invoice. And when you just try to send this invoice, you will get a wizard over here. And as you just search or select the contents, here you can find a slight difference as you just compare it with the Odoo 17 HTML editor. The change is that the shift list is slightly arranged, and we can also add links over here. Actually, this is one of the features that is available in Odoo 17 also. But in Odoo 18, we have a new feature that is to get the code and on. So here you can see, we can just get everything over here. And yeah, let's move on. If you want to just remove that, you can also remove by clicking on the same thing. And additionally, we have a translate button. So if you want to translate this with AI, you can just choose this button. And here you can see we can just make the translation over here. So if you want to insert this, you can just click on insert button. And here you can see content generated, and your content was successfully generated. Now, additionally, if you just need to make further changes, again, you can select the things over here and make the changes. So these are the changes that you can find under the new HTML editor in Odoo 18. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.